What factors can affect the number of pads used per day during a menstrual cycle?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone who experiences a menstrual cycle. We're going to explore the different factors that can affect the number of pads you use per day during your cycle. This is important to understand because it can help you to manage your cycle better and know when something may be out of the ordinary.
What is a normal pad usage?
First, let's understand what normal pad usage is. This varies from person to person, depending on several factors we'll discuss in a moment. But on average, it's common to change a pad every 4 to 8 hours. This means using about 3 to 6 pads per day is common, but keep in mind that everyone is unique and you might fall outside this range and still be perfectly healthy.
What factors affect pad usage?
There are several factors that can influence the number of pads you use during your cycle. Menstrual flow. The first is your menstrual flow. This is the amount of menstrual blood you shed during your cycle. Some people have a heavier flow and need to change their pads more frequently, while others have a lighter flow and may not need to change their pads as often. Menstrual cycle duration. The second factor is your menstrual cycle duration. Some people have longer cycles and may need to use pads for a greater number of days, while others have shorter cycles. Pad absorbency. The third factor is pad absorbency. Different pads have different levels of absorbency. Super absorbent pads can hold more menstrual blood, reducing the need for frequent changes, while less absorbent pads may need to be changed more frequently. Activity levels. Your activity levels can also affect pad usage. If you're very active or doing a lot of physical activity, you might find that you need to change your pad more often.
When should you be concerned?
It's normal for the number of pads you use to vary from cycle to cycle, but there are some situations where you might want to seek medical advice. If you're soaking through pads or tampons every hour for several consecutive hours, or if your period lasts longer than a week, these can be signs of menorrhagia, a condition characterized by abnormally heavy or prolonged menstrual bleeding. If you notice a dramatic change in your pad usage, whether an increase or decrease, it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare provider to rule out any underlying health conditions. Understanding your menstrual cycle and the factors that affect pad usage can help you manage your cycle better and be alert to any significant changes. Remember, everyone's body is different and what's normal for you may not be normal for someone else. If you have any concerns about your menstrual cycle or pad usage, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, and we hope this information has been helpful.